Did you know that beavers can be deadly? Here's what to do to prevent a beaver attack in the first place. Enjoy! Beavers are beautiful animals and live in ponds, lakes, rivers, marshes, streams and adjoining wetlands. Although beavers are usually not aggressive, they are very territorial and protective of their area. They have huge, sharp teeth and can be deadly or cause significant damage to both humans and dogs, especially if they feel trapped or threatened. Beavers also carry diseases like tularemia, parasites and rabies, which can transfer through a bite or infected water. To avoid the possibility of a beaver attack, follow these top tips. Tip 1. Always steer clear if you see a beaver. Never attempt to chase, surprise, surround or capture it. Tip 2. If a beaver is going to attack, it usually gives off a warning sign. It may snarl, hiss, stand up or smack its tail against the ground or water. Never get close and move away if it's displaying any of these signs. Tip 3. Never let your dog chase, surround or capture it either. It could end very badly. Comment and share these tips with your friends and family. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to get other great survival videos like this one. Stay safe!